Son, you are the biggest elephant in India. You must set out and find your own path.
My dear boy Chunky, you are a big boy now, and it's time for you to live on your own.
Where should I go? I miss my mom. I don't even have friends. Why did I grow up? Will I make new friends? Jungle is scary. Wow, who is that? Will she be my friend? She is so pretty. I'll try talking to her. Maybe she will be my girlfriend. Everyone leaves me. I feel so lonely. No one wants to be my friend.
Hey buddy, I am Flo. Can you help me?
How?
My beak is broken and fish keeps falling out. Can you catch some fish for me with your trunk, please?
I'll try.
You caught so many. I might not be hungry for the whole week. Wow, this is so yummy. Thank you so much. You're my best friend. Hi! The next part is coming soon. A lot of adventure is ahead in the next part, so subscribe our channel for more stories.